Good day and welcome to today's video, where we've installed a genuine Volkswagen camera on this 2015 facelifted multivan and 5.1. Show you how it works. You need to have compatible unit to accept the camera. Then you need to be able to chuck the current reverse and put the ignition on. The camera is made in Germany, takes a few hours to install. It works on the RNS 315 GPS as well as RNS 510, as well as some RCD 510s with the 26-pin connector. It's nice and crisp, and it works as soon as you enter the car. As a genuine Volkswagen camera would. Thank you for watching. If you need any gear for your transporter or a multivan, T5 and T6, feel free to visit our website eurocarupgrades.com.au or call our friendly team and we'll be happy to help. Thank you. Bye.